Welcome to another episode of our weekly analysis on all the financial markets. Welcome to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Yes, we do this every week, and enable the notification so you get alerted whenever we drop out some videos like this. So let's get started, guys. So you guys, those of you who have been following this channel, you guys already know the drill. You know how we do it. Let's go through the fundamental part of things. Not so much here, but you can see the US dollar dominating Wednesday, just two, but I think it's pretty much the only high impact fundamentals we have for Wednesday. And then here is another important thing: non-farm payrolls, non-farm payrolls rather. Yes, this is the last non-farm payroll for the year. Yes, because this is the first Friday of December. So let's just, for the benefit of that, let's just say we expect something, but I don't just keep it there. It's the last non-farm payroll of the year, so I think it means something. So those of us interested, day traders and scalpers, then look forward to that. So let's go over to what we have for today. Let's look at our charts. First analysis, let's go to forex. We have mainly forex this week, and that's what we'll have more of. So let's look at GBP NZD. Now I said something about GBP NZD last week. Last week it was around here. We were somewhere here. Let me mark this out. We're somewhere here. Yes, we're somewhere here before the breakout, and I told you guys something that because of price finding it difficult to break this zone, this guy for a long time, that I expect to see more of the bearish move over this guy. Yes, because a lot of people, those people who teach you, I don't know whoever, but a lot of them will say once it gets here, then obviously expect a reversal and all that. But that's not how we do it. We trade on impulse. So I told you guys, based on the impulse of the market, that we're most likely gonna see. I'm expecting the bearish move or the bullish move, and you see that's already happening because of the strong bearish momentum of the market over the last couple months. We have seen price break out from this zone, and price has not broken out of this zone since for like the last time price was, I can't even go back to time, but it's been a long time. Let's just try to say that the last time price was let's just do that. Price has been on this uptrend, you can see it. So now we have seen a breakout, and this uptrend, it has been on this uptrend since 2016, so it's huge. So seeing this breakout now, for me, it says a lot of things, understand? So this is a long-term trade for me. This is the kind of trades I like in trade, catching the moves early, very early. So I'm long-term bearish on GBP NZD. So I think you should start looking for interest. So let's see how things go from there. So the next one on our list is GBP AUD, GBP USD rather. Sorry for that. GBP USD. Now let's look at GBP USD now. GBP USD, here's the thing. If judging by this on the daily chart, you can see that kind of prices on this resistance level, understand? And I think it's almost, I think in my own say, I'm gonna say price is about forming a double top here, where it will go down and then form this double top. But then yes, here this is what I'm expecting. But then when you go to the higher time frame, let me see the weekly time frame, that's where things get a little bit more interesting. Yes, you can see, yes, price is saying the same thing, understand? But then here's the thing, see this this momentum. So we see in this zone, you can see the strong bullish impulse. That's my only fear. I won't call it a fear, because right now everything is pointing towards the bearish move. Even here we can see a pin bar forming, understand? The market closed as a pin bar. So for the week, so all these things are indicating understand? And market is on this resistance zone, and also on this trend line, this downtrend line. So everything is indicating a bearish move, but I like everything like making sense. So I will advise you to wait for when market finally, if you're going down, wait till market finally reaches this zone, because I'm expecting a double top here. I told you before. Or market could also do this because of the bullish impulse. Market could also do this, break out and then go up and all that. But then I'm an impulse trader, so I'm seeing more of this happening over the other moves, because not only that, because GBP pairs, the GBP pairs are all bearish across you can see them. So let's just keep, and I told you guys life is better when you're sure. So let's go to the next one. The next one on this is GBP chef. Let's rush this out, guys. Now GBP chef, this is kind of a consolidation, but I put this out so that those of us who are short-term traders, well, I'll take advantage of this because the risk to reward is not looking bad. So here's what I want to do: is sell again. I told you guys most British pairs, GBP pairs are just, so you can see the risk to reward is not looking bad. It's not looking bad. So I told you guys most GBP pairs are bearish. So let's see if we can leverage that. So here's how I plan on doing GBP check when market opens. So let's go over the next one. The next one on this is AUD USD. Yes, let's look at AUD USD. Because we saw a breakout during the past weeks or months even. Yes, during the past months we saw a breakout, and then we've seen series of retests. Even in fact, the retests were like double bottoms. You can see them double bottoms here and here. So the retest. So now market has started this journey back to, and it's currently where it was before. Understand, before this one. So I think you should do a kind of, you should do something like this. You should draw zones. You should draw your zones. You should draw little zones in this at these levels. So when price finally breaks out of this place, then you can finally look for, hopefully buy. We're looking for buy entries at this point. So that's it for the AUD USD. Draw your zones, and then we'll start looking for entry whenever price breaks out from these zones. I don't know why this arrow is so stubborn going up. So I want you guys to see clearly what I'm talking about. So that's it. So next is then we'll go to BTC. Crypto. Now this is not actually, because crypto is kind of retracing right now. We're out of all our trades. Like I told you guys, our target was somewhere around this zone. So we entered at this point. We entered at this point around here. We caught the move around this zone. Was that? Yes. So we have been in the trade till the point. And most of you were fidgeting. Yes, why the dump and all that? Because people don't look at price action. Look at price action. That's why we set our target there at 20. It wouldn't take us anything to set our target at 30,000 or 40,000 or 50,000. But price action, that's why we put our target at 20,000. And you see, market reached that zone and now is retracing. Please, price action is not a joke. All these indicators, none of them, I'm telling you, I'm not saying the price action is 100, because you guys know I don't like using the word 100% in trading. But you see, nothing stands it. Price action is a giant. It's the giant of them all. Nothing stands a chance against price action. Look at your charts very clear. Whenever you see something happening and maybe there is no manipulation or something, just look at your chart. You know that it has a way to do with price action. Even the manipulations per se, all these things, just look at your chart very, very well. Try to look at your charts in all time frames. You must see one thing relating to price action happening that actually made that thing to happen. So Bitcoin made this retracement because it's still bullish. I'm not doubting that, but for this part, until whenever this retracement is over and maybe it's back to this zone, then we can start, when it breaks out, then we can start looking for buy interest. That's how to trade. Understand? I always put it out there, guys. There's no other way to trade. We don't do magic here. It's just simple things that are complex if you want to make them complex. So that's all for this week. Like I keep telling you guys, trade won't make sense to you guys. Trade won't make sense to you. There's no 100% in this game. So if there's anybody telling you, if there's any influencer on Twitter or on YouTube, there are people good in this game. There are a lot of genuine, understand, professionals, understand, our fathers. I call them our fathers, understand. Yes, and they will tell you this same thing too, understand. They are winning the game not because there is 100% strategy they are using, it's because they have understood how the game works and they have brought the game to themselves and it's working for them. They now have a working strategy per se, understand. It's not like you trying to build over the place looking for 100% strategies and all that. Trade works makes sense to you because at the end, understand, you see that if you try to bring the market down to you, that's the best strategy you can have for yourself, believe me, understand. So but then before you start talking about trading what makes sense to you, you must first know what you're doing, right? Yes, you must get a good training, understand. When I mean a good training, a training that actually teaches you how to go about this game, guys, understand. So I want to just put it out there for those of you who might be interested in joining our training, understand. You guys have seen how we trade the market. There is no other way. You have seen it, that's it. So if you like the way we use simple naked price action trading, guys, simple naked price action technical analysis, that's what we do here, guys, understand. So you have seen how we trade, and if you like how we trade, then obviously join our community, understand, because that's what will teach you and train you on how to become a price action forex trader, a profitable price action forex trader. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description below. So I'm just putting it out there. So guys, that's it for this week. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, enable notification. Remember, we do this every week, coupled with other videos too. Like and share to your friends, understand. I'm sure they will. So see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.